Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews and insights on the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your sleep experience: the Voerou Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband. Now, if you're like me, finding comfortable headphones for sleeping can be a real challenge. That's why I was intrigued by the Voerou Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about comfort. The Voerou Bluetooth Headband features an adjustable strap design made from highly elastic and breathable materials. This ensures a secure and comfortable fit, whether you're sleeping, working out, or meditating. And the versatility doesn't stop there. This isn't just a sleep headphone, it's a 3-in-1 solution. Not only does it let you listen to music wirelessly, but it also keeps your hair in place and absorbs sweat during intense workouts. But what about the sound quality? I'm happy to report that the Voerou Sleep Headphones deliver an immersive audio experience. Thanks to advanced Bluetooth 5.2 technology and 40mm composite drivers. Whether you're into upbeat tracks or mellow tunes, you'll experience exceptional clarity and detail. Now, let's talk about battery life. With up to 10 hours of playtime on just a 1 to 2 hour charge, you can groove to your favorite beats all night long. Plus, the advanced battery technology ensures a longer product lifespan, giving you years of uninterrupted musical enjoyment. In summary, the Voerou Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband offers comfort, versatility, and exceptional sound quality, making it the perfect companion for sleep, relaxation, and active lifestyles. And with a generous 2-year manufacturer's warranty, you can purchase with confidence. That's all for today's review. If you've tried the Voerou Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.